Hey crafty friends! Welcome to your December Craft Club tutorial. Today we're unboxing your kit and creating a beautiful banner. Inside your Craft Club box you'll find a mini squeegee, a sample packet of permanent ink in Olivetone and glittering black, your 9x12 hanging magnetic banner, and of course your Do Small Things stencil. We'll also be working on a large ink mat. This isn't required, but it helps hold the banner in place and keeps the fabric tight while we work. Start by placing your banner onto the ink mat and smoothing it out so it's nice and flat. Now grab your stencil, peel it off just like a sticker, and place it onto the banner. Smooth it down so it's nice and secure and ready for your ink. You can use your colors however you'd like, but for this tutorial, we are using the glittering black for the words and the olive tone for the frame of the design. So let's start with the black. Give that ink packet a quick knead, open it up, and apply it using your mini squeegee. Now do the same with the olive tone packet. Knead it, open it, and apply it to the design using your squeegee. Once everything is nice and covered, go ahead and peel your stencil off to reveal the crisp, clean design. Set your banner aside for a moment and wash your stencil following the care instructions that come right on the back of your packaging. Now attach the magnetic frame to the top and bottom of the banner. If you want another fun idea, you can use that olive tone ink to paint your wooden frame if you want the whole project to coordinate. Just mist the ink with a little water and use a regular foam brush to paint it on. We know you're going to come up with your own creative spin to make this banner uniquely yours. Whether you switch the colors, mix techniques, or add extra details, there's no wrong way to create with this kit, and we cannot wait to see what you come up with. Thank you so much for crafting with us this month. We hope you love this project as much as we do, and we're so grateful that you're a part of Craft Club. Until next time, happy crafting!